stage.
Is that in?
It's starting to get organised here.
Yep.
Just a matter of getting it in the right place.
Mind you, you got your technique. Oh, there's a pin in there. Did you actually put a nut on that then? Or? Yeah. That's good.
It's one of them, unfortunately.
So you put it on back to front, obviously.
Yeah.
You know, and so there's one hinge built in there. Just do it up as tight as I can with fingers.
Do you want to come? We don't have a camera in this one, Rog. We have Ben sat in it. He goes around.
I've got a camera, yeah. Is there any way you can fit it on?
Well, this Cliff will put his camera on here.
Yeah,
Looking forward.
I picked it up off the bench and one of the wheels bloody dropped off. It got the captive nut this end.